Guys, look, I found a bee. I don't know what it's doing, but it's just doing something over here. It's a very, very small honeybee. It's very cute, but I think it's slowly dying right now. I feel very bad for it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to touch it. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. I can't believe I'm gonna touch this thing. Oh, I touched it. Guys, I just touched it. It's trying to fly, but it can't fly. I think it maybe stunned somebody, but I can't tell. Guys, I don't know what happened here, but I think he's trying to fly. He just can't fly. That's weird. Okay, goodbye, guys. Stay tuned for some more wild nature videos.